Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to create a video intro either for YouTube or any other platform for free. Okay, so let's get started into it. But before we get started, let me just show you a demo of the one I created earlier. Okay, let me just play this. You can see how simple that is, and you can see it's just only 2 seconds. Okay, so let me just close that up and let me show you how to create this kind of intro for free. And I'm going to do that using Canva. So just head over to canva.com, log into your account. If you don't have any account, go ahead and create a new account and log in. Okay, so right here I'm already logged into my Canva account, and I'm going to click on video right here. And from here, you can choose the resolution that you're working with. For me, let me just go with the YouTube video. So I click on the YouTube video, the landscape, that's the 16:9, right? Yeah, this is the working environment. And you can see from here, I have the design tab right here. And from here, I can just easily choose a design. This is where it gets very interesting. Okay, but one thing that you can notice is that some of them right here has this little crown right here. So these ones are for the pro version. So if you have the Canva Pro subscription, you can use these ones. I think they look more professional. But then there are still the free ones. This one right here that does not have any crown icon. You can see these ones right here. Search for, let's say, intro. And so we can just scroll down all the way down and look for the ones that are free. So we can just work with the free ones, since we are just trying to do this for free. Okay, so if you just put your mouse on top of it, you're going to see the preview, how it looks, the animations and all that. You can see this, very basic but simple. So you can just scroll down a little bit to check around. So I guess I'll just simply go with this. I mean, this is very simple and basic. Okay, so I'll just click on it. Anyone you want to use, just click on that, and then you have the option to edit and customize it the way you want. You can see that. Okay, so you can just click on the welcome, maybe to attach your brand name and all that. And let's say this, I'm just trying to customize this to my taste, right? And you can drag and drop it anywhere. So let's just, I'm just trying to just do some things, and let's just try to center it this way, push it a little bit long. Okay, you can see that, very basic and simple. So you have some other options that you can just change the background or thereabouts. So if I click on play right here, you can see that, boom. And so to know, sometimes intros makes people click off your video if your intros are just too long. Okay, so the recommended time for me is somewhere around 2 seconds to 5 seconds. I won't even go for the 5 seconds. I mean, that's very long to me. Okay, so I'll just kind of play this to see a way that I can reduce this. Okay, you can see at this point the stars have started fading out. At this point the stars has, I mean I can deal with this point, right? So I can just drag this down till this point. So right here I have 3 seconds, and I think I'm very okay with that. So if I play that again, you can see, yeah, I have my intro right here. So I'll just click on the audio to try to add the sound to it. And by the way, I'll keep my playhead from the beginning. Okay, so when you click on the audio, you have all these stock audios to search for, and you can see a lot of them here are for the pro version of Canva, so we don't need that. And we're just going to search for intro. Let's search for intro so we can get some shorter ones, but then we still have the shorter ones right here for the pro version. So I'll just click on the filter icon right here, and I'll select the free. So I'll click out, and you can see we have some free ones right here only. Okay, so let's just scroll a little bit down. Let's see the ones that are shorter in duration. You can see this is just for 4 seconds. So if I play that, you can just click play to preview that. All right, so I think I'm just gonna go with that, I mean, just for the sake of this video. Okay, so I'll just click on it to add it to the timeline right here. So when I play that, you can see that. That's very cool. That's very cool, guys. So just with this, I'm done. I'm done. You can add pictures, by the way. You can add pictures, you can add other elements, okay, stickers and all that stuff. So if I wanted to add a video, I'll just click on my, my uploads. That's uploads, of course. Click on your uploads. You're going to want to upload the picture from your computer, or if you have it uploaded already, you can just use it. Okay, for example, I'll just kind of add this iPhone screen right here. I'm going to delete this right now, but let me just show you how to do some kind of movement. Okay, so when you drag your picture, you can add some animations to it. For example, let me click on animation, and then you can see we have some cool animations to add right here. You can see that. For example, let me just choose this. Okay, so if I play up that, you can see, so right here you can still adjust where you want the image to start from. Okay, so let's go back and play that again. You can see that, I mean, it doesn't make sense, but then you can make it make sense, right? And then when you're done and you're happy, let me just go ahead and delete this. And when you're happy and you want to download your work, just click on the share button right there and click on download. From the file type, it's automatically set to the MP4, which is the right file type. Okay, so you don't have to do anything right here. So just basically click on download, and your video intro will be downloaded to your system, and you can use it for your video editing. As simple as that. You can see my download has started already. Okay, so you can see the download is complete. You can see the duration right here is just 3 seconds. So let me just kind of play the video. Yeah, beautiful. You can see that. So that's all I have for you in this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.